Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you? I hope you also fine, taking care of yourself. I'm also fine. Today in this video I am going to show you ideas and designing about men neck cowl, long scarf. You can see different sizes and different varieties of men crochet and knitting neck cowl in this my video. They look very beautiful and glamorous and they are very warm. Please see my video at the end, because in this my video I will show you the classic and unique collection of men neck cowl, long scarf, crochet and knitting. In this my video they look very glamorous and more comfortable in winter season. As you know how to style a cowl with a long sleeve compressed crochet and knitting can be worn simply wrapped around the neck for a bit of warmth. Wear it over your head for a drap hooded. These styles will keep you toasty for the most warm. Double the cowls around your neck. Boys like very much these cowl in winter seasons. A crochet knitting cowl is usually hood shaped covering used to increase the draft of a chimney and prevent backflow. The cowl usually made of crochet and knitting techniques, and they are very useful in winter season. You can make in one color theme, and you make it in a different color, such as in gray, blue, red, yellow, green, purple, and different styles of a neck cowl in your choice. As you know, around loose collars that fall over on itself, it the neck of piece of clothing or the piece of clothing itself. Halter cushion neck tops makes a strong statement, while trapped cowl necks are also popular. Crochet and knitting men's neck cowl are popular in 2020. You can match it your shirts, t-shirts, long coat, and winter warmth cloth depending on your size. And if you want to make these neck cowl scarves, men's crochet and knitting in order, please see the link in my description. Touch the link and contact with us. Okay viewers, if you have any question, please tell me in the comment section. I always available for you, inshallah. And if you want many more ideas and designing about crochet and knitting neck cowl, long scarf, please see my videos on my YouTube channel regularly. Okay viewers, see you later in my next video. Take care. Thanks for supporting us and goodbye.